Good morning, traders. Today is Tuesday, 8th of October 2024. We're doing our portfolio selection pairs this morning. So we add the pairs for yesterday, and the Euro New Zealand and the Pound New Zealand are only the high probability pairs. So what we do is we do our portfolio selection on Sunday. That gives us this currency strength cumulative number, and we rank them. Then we have the strong pairs of pound, Swiss, Aussie, Euro, weak pairs of New Zealand, JPY, and the US dollar. So running the scanner, we want to see if it's an uptrend or a strong pair. We want to see it present on the 15 minutes, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour chart. So yesterday, like I said, we add the Euro New Zealand. All these pairs are Monday pairs. Okay. We only took the pound New Zealand. The trade is still going on. I didn't close it. Okay. And the next one, the next thing that we do is to compare the sell pairs as well, the strong downtrend on all the time frame, which is the 15 minutes, 1 hour, and the 4 hour. Then we'll be able to, once we have a pair on the downtrend or the uptrend, we compare it with the portfolio selection. As long as it falls between the weak and strong pairs, it becomes a high probability pair. So for today, the high probability pairs we have is Euro New Zealand, the Swiss yen, which is buying, lime means buying. The US dollar card is present. I've only put this there, but it is, you can see the dollar is one of the weak pairs. So even though we can see the dollar strengthening, but based on the information we derived, the cumulative number, the US dollar is still ranked as third. Okay, so it's one of the weakest pair on our radar. So we have to be careful. We can take the trade. We call this type of trading short term or spot trading. Okay, Aussie New Zealand is high probability today. New Zealand Swiss is high probability sell today. So we have the Swiss yen, the Euro New Zealand, the Aussie New Zealand, and the New Zealand Swiss as a high probability pairs that we should be looking at trading today. So let me just look at one or two pairs as in terms of analysis, then we can move on. So let's look at the Euro New Zealand. This is the one we had yesterday. You can see there's a momentum high here, and we have broken above the momentum high with a structure, and we have another structure, another momentum high here. This, however, I don't think this pullback has finished, but we know what we are looking for. We have a structure here actually. I'm not using it, I'm just using this as a, I'm eyeballing it. One, two. So technically with the Euro New Zealand, this is the pound New Zealand. Actually, we did this yesterday. We have a target of 2.14517. That is the pound New Zealand. That's the first target. Second target is 2.14970. Okay, so let's look at the EURNZD. Similar to the pound, where is a high probability buy pair. Look at that. Since yesterday, I had two choices of which one to take, and I took the pound. Okay, so we have one, two. So this is the structure. This is your structure. So if we want to buy this, just keep it simple. I like to draw the Fibonacci, and we will draw from low to high. You can already see it's breaking higher. So as you see, we have a structure here. So if we are taking, anyone that's taking this trade, the first stop loss is here, 1.79072, and the second one is here, and we are looking to target the minus 23.6 and also the second target of 1.8027. That is the Euro New Zealand. Last but not the least, let's look at the Swiss franc, Japanese yen. This is actually interesting because this is interesting because the yen pairs are going through what we call the correction, and as you can see, since yesterday, this one has held nicely. If we compare this Swiss franc yen with the other yen pairs, you'll see the difference. Okay, these ones are coming down, but the Swiss yen is holding sideways. Okay, which is a good thing. Okay, but the idea is not to jump the gun with this one. It's holding itself. You can buy low and sell high. So this will be a buy low because we've come below a manipulation low. This one here. Okay, and we have seen a structural point here. This is a structure. So we can, if you buy above the structure for the next session, stop loss will come below here, and we'll place the Fibonacci key ratio. No, let's use the Russell wave because this is like a ranging market. Okay, so I'm going to change this one to Russell waves. Okay, and you have, guys, you have to probably watch this video over again to see these key levels. This will be your first area of target, second, third, and you know this is, and also what I'm doing is not a financial advice. If you don't know how to trade, you shouldn't be taking these trades. You have to be able to learn how to protect yourself when you're trading, learn how to manage your risk basically. Okay, so this is a good one to take above here. All right, so that's it for this morning. The bootcamp week, second week of the bootcamp. Today is the 8th of October. My name is Shogun Chat 247, and I hope to see you in the next video. God bless.